everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're playing WUCHANG Fallen Feathers and notice the sound isn't working, don't worry. I've got a step-by-step guide that'll help you fix it quickly. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Start menu and type Control Panel. Click to open it. Now go to Hardware and Sound, and then click on Sound. Here, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as the default device. Just select them and click Set Default, then click OK. Solution 2. In the same window, right-click on your audio device and select Properties. Now go to the Levels tab and make sure the volume is not set to the lowest level or muted. If it is, turn it up and press OK. Solution 3. Open the Advanced tab. Under Default Format, set your sample rate to either 44,100 Hz or 48,000 Hz, whichever is available. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 4. Go to the Spatial Sound tab. Make sure it's set to Off or Disabled. Click Apply, and then OK. Solution 5. Head to the Start menu again and type Device Manager. Open it up and expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click on your audio device and select Properties. Now go to the Driver tab and click on Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers and let Windows do its thing. Solution 6. If that didn't help, go back and this time click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose the correct audio driver, click Next, and let it install. Once the driver's installed, restart your PC to apply the changes. When you launch WUCHANG Fallen Feathers, the sound should now be working perfectly. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix the audio, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more fixes like this. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!